tell us what you do here at Akron Children's Hospital, Mahoning Valley.
Well, as the pediatric radiologist here, I work with the radiology department. Our job is to basically perform the medical imaging for the kids. So if their doctors feel that medical imaging would help them to make diagnoses or follow progress or determine outcomes, then we're there for that. We're there for helping them with that.
And obviously you deal with parents too, you talk to them, explain
Absolutely,
what's going on.
absolutely. Our staff is fantastic for that. We really work hard to get kids through the easy stuff and the difficult stuff, whether it be just an X-ray or a more involved procedure like an upper GI, CAT scan, MRI, that kind of thing. And we try to keep the parents involved every step of the way.
Because those are really big words, and when
Absolutely.
they're all upset because their child was there in the first place, and you have to explain, this is what's going on, this is the picture we're going to take, this is how it works.
Right. And a lot of times, kids obviously think differently, they experience the world differently, and to them it's big scary machines, and they don't know what's about to happen to them. So we do our best to talk them through it, to let them know, no needles, no pain, no ouchie, anything like that, and really just have them have as good an experience as possible, and get the imaging that they need, so that we can help their doctors, treat them appropriately, and we strive to keep things like radiation dose and like I said, pain levels and things like that as low as possible.
I try to emphasize that during the radiothon, that kids are not little adults. They are different than adults.
Absolutely.
Treatment regimens are different. The equipment is smaller, obviously, because they're smaller. And therapies are different for kids because they're tiny, they're smaller.
No question about it. And like I said, they experience the world differently. So with some of our exams, certain age groups would need sedation to have, like MRIs, for example, can sometimes take up to a half an hour to 40 minutes to complete, and you're in this big scary machine. So we have a sedation department that works very closely with us, Dr. Everly and his cohorts, and they're stationed in our radiology department, for the kids that need that kind of a service, and we really work hard to get these kids through these tests with a very good experience.
This is why you need a children's hospital in this valley, why it's such an important resource to have Akron Children's Hospital, Mahoning Valley here, so you don't have to go to Cleveland, you don't have to go to Pittsburgh to get this treatment for your little child, your child.
Absolutely.
You do it right here in this valley.
And I think it's made a big difference for the people of Mahoning Valley that we're here, and we actually get that feedback a lot, that they're glad that they were able to get this test done or that test done without having to travel so far for something that maybe 10 years ago they would have had to.
Keep that going by being part of this radiothon and becoming a miracle maker. $10 a month, 1-888-746-9890. Remember, no child ever turned away, regardless of ability to pay, at Akron Children's Hospital, Mahoning Valley. Doctor, thank you very much for sitting with us and telling us your job. Thank you.